Okay, it's Sunday. That can only mean one thing: roast with Yorkshire pudding. So I'm going to show you a quick, no scale, no fuss, perfect Yorkshire pudding recipe. So all we need, an egg, and then a cup, and then some plain flour, and then some milk, and then a jug, and a whisk, bit of salt and pepper. Right, I'm going to crack this egg into here. I'll come back because I can't do it one-handed. No, not a chance. Turns out I can't crack an egg properly with two hands either. Oh dear. Anyway, so this is a tip. Get your egg in your cup, pour it into your measuring jug. There you go. Now, what we're going to do is get the flour and put it into our cup. Oh, I'm making a mess. And then we're just going to fill it up to the level where the egg came up to, which sounds a bit more complicated than it is. So we've put some flour in. We're going to give it a shake, and you'll see where the flour sticks to the side. So we need a little bit more in there. Put a bit more flour in. Level it off. And that is pretty much bang on. So now that goes in with our egg. Now for the milk. And basically we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to pour the milk into our cup with our markings on it, up to the level that the flour and milk was. Can you see it? Nearly there, nearly there. There we go. Obviously that bit up the sides where I've poured it out, so ignore that bit. But that is all level measurements of egg, flour, milk, all in one. So we're going to pour that in with our mixture. And I'm just going to give that a whisk and add some salt and pepper, and then I'll show you it. Okay, so I've added the salt and pepper, and this is basically what we're looking for. Sort of this consistency. And we're going to put that in the fridge now and chill it until we're ready to cook. And then obviously it's a hot oil in a Yorkshire pudding tin, and then straight into a hot oven. Don't open the oven until you think they're ready, normally about 35 minutes. But we'll get onto that. So I'm going to put that in the fridge now to rest and chill and get it really cold, because then it reacts with the hot oil. And we'll see how they turn out.